Hello YouTube! So let's say that you are trying to import some module that doesn't arrive with default Python installation. How to solve the problem, how to approach this thing? Well, the thing is really easy. First, let's see what kind of error we will have. For example, I'm gonna try to import send to trash module because we're gonna need it in next tutorials, and error will be no module named send to trash, so we know what to expect. Now, the thing you need to do is go to terminal or command prompt, because I am on Windows at the moment, and you don't need to change directories, you can just type command here. And that command is this one, PIP or PIP, install or install that specific module. So send to trash, enter, and because module is relatively small, everything will be done in a split of a second. Really easy, straightforward stuff. Let's try to import our module. Import send to trash, enter, and now you can work with your module. Let's see, can we get some kind of documentation from it? Help, send to trash, enter, and there you go. Nothing special, but it's pretty much enough to get additional information on internet if we need to. Really simple stuff. Now, how to deinstall some module? Well, it's almost the same process. Pip uninstall that name. Enter. And Python will ask you, do you want to proceed, because deleting modules is kind of dangerous, because maybe your important scripts are connected with them. They rely on that specific module, so Python will always ask you. So do you want to proceed? Yes, enter, and that's about it. The thing is done in a split of a second. Now, if your module is kind of big, then expect a lot of data on the screen for, let's say, half a minute or maybe even a minute. It depends about your connection, but that's nothing scary. The Python will get the job done on its own. So what will happen if we now press or type import send to trash? Now you will probably say, well, how is that possible that we included our module into our kind of script? Well, what you need to do in this case to make these changes active is go to shell and restart shell. And now let's import our module. Import send to trash, and see we have that error. Bottom line, very simple stuff. Use pip install, name of the module, and pip uninstall, name of the module. But please be aware that if you're doing some really important scripts, create all kind of backups and don't play around with default Python installation. Create virtual working environments, and that's also possible. We will also talk about that in one of the next tutorials. So anyway, relatively simple stuff. Python is really time saver, and it will save us a lot of nerves too. So that's about it, and as always, thank you for watching, for subscription and support, and see you next tutorial.